is Radia.
My name is Advika.
Our YouTube channel name is Fairy Kids. Today we're going to be making our own sand art. And we're going to be telling of our ingredients. So we're going to be opening right now. We have the instructions here.
And the bag where we put and the pink.
What the tubes. And you can see that we have these sand colors.
Yeah, sand colors.
Okay, now I'm going to be pouring some colors in here.
That's good.
Okay, almost done. Now I'm going to use yellow. Okay, now I'm going to be putting orange in here.
You can see how smooth it is.
And now I'm using a different color. That's a different type of blue. It's dark blue.
Yeah.
This is going down there. And now I'm using some of the pink. This is going down there. If it's too much, just wiggle it like this. And now I just need to add a little more in there. Okay, you can see. Okay. Alright, now I'm just making some designs. You can see that. Making little circles.
Oh, you got this one.
You can see that there's lines. Like that. When you shake it, the colors are getting mixed together. Okay, now I'm going to be putting this lid on. And you can see my rainbow heart is finished. Now I'm going to be giving colors and she's going to be putting it in her star.
In this star.
Alright, now she's going to be using a different color.
Why am I doing this so big guy doing that? Just put it in this.
Alright, now, here you go. You can see in the bottom it's yellow.
Yeah. One is the color. Like a smooth rainbow.
And here I'm going to be making it.
It goes quickly.
Now he's going to be using see it's going there.
Yeah.
Oh wait, now she's gonna be using yellow
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
Okay, now she's gonna be using green.
Yeah. Green and purple.
You can see it's all colorful.
Yeah.
Oh, and now she's gonna be using this purple. It's a dark purple. Okay, now she's gonna be using the color yellow again for the top. Okay, now we're putting it in. We're gonna be using this tool again.
Yeah.
Okay, now she's gonna be shaking it in.
With the lid.
And you can see it's a colorful rainbow. So you can see that we both have bottles. And this one is yellow one, and I didn't put any, so that's why it's open. Now we're gonna be having blue. And now she's gonna be having another blue.
Yeah, but it's dark blue.
Okay, now she's gonna be shaking it from this lid over here.
Yeah. And lid.
And now I'm gonna be doing mine. You can see I'm doing red.
You can see it's so colorful.
Oh, now I'm using blue. Now I'm using pink. Okay, over here is green. And over here is purple. A little more. If you like my channel, please subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and share with your family and friends. Bye bye.